All right, people, we're going to ship a package real quick, and we're gonna check out the Lowe's and Home Depot real fast. How about that? Oh, people, it's the first Home Depot display that I have found up so far. The one by my house doesn't have anything. I was like, you know what? I'm shipping this package. Let me try the Hutto area. Dude, look how many 12-foot skeletons they have. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. May even be more in the top stock. And they have, these are Jack Skellington. 3, 6, 9. Holy smokes. Oh, look at this new tombstone. Okay, this is crazy. I saw a video. Man, the video does not do this thing justice. Holy crap. Yeah, this video doesn't show you how cool this thing really is. I bought this one last year. I bought some bigger obelisks last year. I like that little one though. That might be cool on top of something. But these crosses, man, I'm really liking that actually. How much is this bad boy? How much are you, Tombstone? Man, they are fully stocked here. Oh, 2 more Jacks. They got the animated Reaper, they got the Gravedigger, they got the Skull Piles, they got the Arches. I mean, dude, they got everything. They got the Boogeyman, Deadwater animated. I mean, it's all here, people. Let's check it out. Dude, look at this. They have a dearly departed weeping tombstone this year. Check that out. That is crazy. And look what I found. I haven't even seen these guys yet. It's a bat skeleton, and it has giant freaking bat wings. I'm totally gonna show that when I get home today. And honestly, I want this dude. I want this miniature 12-foot skeleton replica. I really almost can't help but to get this guy. He is so cool. Look how ginormous this freaking skull is. Holy crap, it's huge. So cool. I met another hawker over there, and she just joined the channel. And she's gonna send me her address so I can go check out her yard this season, which is super exciting. But check this out. It's the chest LED kit. You can see it over there in the skeleton there. Pretty freaking cool. Kind of thinking about it, but I don't know. I mean, I think I can easily put a light in there, but that's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. And I'm still thinking about you, dude. Still thinking about you, dude. Whoa. Kind of want this guy, but I don't have room for that big of a box. Just not happening. It's not happening, guys. Not happening. Ooh, this guy's cool. Ooh, I like this guy. He'll deteriorate over time since he's latex, or rubber. But that's pretty sweet. I like it. How many times can I say sweet? It's really cool this year. They have them labeled Boogeyman, Spellcasting Witch, Mary the Meddling Maid, Dean the Deathologist. Like, they're all labeled all across with their buttons. Same over there. Man, they really got it going on this year. That is super cool. And then it's got a QR code where you could probably scan it, takes you to the website, you can probably buy it, ship it to your house, and own them all. Own them all.
I love the sound of your whimper breathing. It's like music to my ears. Your tears will be of no solace to you in the hot eternal.
Smoldering Reaper, he's pretty cool. 249 is really good for that. He's pretty big. Let's do Sinister Steve. All Steves are cool.
Hey, you should go check out the prices on new carpet, wood, and tile. The prices floored me.
All right, let's see. We're not gonna do the twins. I don't like you this year. Swamp Fisherman.
Well, it sure is fun to be back on my favorite spot here. It's a perfect night for fishing.
His audio is pretty low, but man, this thing is really cool actually. Way cooler in person. Really cool prop. Definitely like the Scarecrow over there. I'd like to have him. Swamp Scarecrow.
When the crow caws twice under the harvest moon, don't be surprised when I reach out for you.
129 is absolutely phenomenal for that. Got an assortment of gargoyles this year. This one is pretty dang goofy looking. This one, I know people are gonna correct me on saying it's a gargoyle. So this is a griffin. Griffin. But I'm sure there's a different name for them. Someone corrected me one time on it. But I like that one, I think, the most. I like both of these. I just don't like that says rip. And then these smaller tombstones are cool if you have a smaller yard. And then they got quite a bit of these cool blow molds this year, which is kind of neat. And then they got all these 3-foot animated characters that they have every year. This little dude, he looks kind of cool. Let's see what he does here. He's pretty goofy. But it's fun. Somebody's hitting like all the buttons over there. All the buttons. All right, we're not gonna look at you, inflatables. All right, Home Depot. Oh, it's a dragon. Look at this. That's different. I know they've had a dragon one before, but I don't think they had the wings like that. Let's see. Oh, and I saw somebody post about this skeleton, this skull. Yeah, this is really cool. The way this looks. It's really, man, it's really super lightweight. Just super, it's really lightweight. Blow mold. This would be really cool to put up on something. Because it's oversized and it's super light. Well, that's pretty cool. 20 bucks, not bad. All right, guys, got the things and stuff. Got 2 vampire skeletons, which are super cool, and orange lights for the trick or treat theme. Got a got an idea for what I'm gonna do to install the lights. I've seen this system many times, and I will probably do a tutorial about it. A lot of people use it for that other holiday, Christmas, but you know what? If you're putting up orange lights for Halloween, you can use it for that too. So I'll probably do a tutorial on that coming up. So keep watching, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Please support the channel. Love you guys. And as always, you know what to do. Get your hunt on.